So guys, today I am uploading a video about my homemade atomberg ceiling fan. It's atomberg renesa. It looks like a real fan, but it's not even a real fan. See, there's no PCB at all. It is just a small fan and it looks like a real fan. So I am gonna use this for my shorts and YouTube shorts, and I'm not gonna do anything. I am not gonna do any wobbling tests and falling tests. I'm only gonna post it about spinning and the review videos. This is just a review video, and for those tests and all, I'm only gonna, in my channel, I'm not gonna post any nonsense videos. My channel has 0% violence. So my channel is a great channel which is made for kids. My channel is all ages channel, and it is suitable for everyone. And look, see, even I have an atomberg renesa 1200 mm which I already showed you. So it looks like this one, but it is like the color is ivory and black 1200 mm. But see, I made a fake remote by using paper, and this is a shopping list, and it already got over, so I tore it like this. And see, I made it by myself, doing a small effort. I didn't even made a lot of effort for it. Wait, I'll show you it again. Sleep mode, LED mode, timer mode, and atomberg fan company. But this is not a real fan, it's a fake one, but it's just a fan that I wanted for my stress. So I am using this for all my stress. So wait, the remote, that thing fell down. So here, see, it turns on, and now see, it turns on. This is just a toy fan, and see, it fell again. It's just a paper. I can put it somewhere else. See, it off, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put boost mode. Now it's gonna go faster than ever, but the same speed. But you heard the noise? It's the bearing sound. It's not a real fan. It looks like it, but it's not a real fan. So now the LED mode, LEDs are on, but this is a fake fan, so there's no sign of LEDs at all. So this is a cover of it. I already think this is gonna be a Crompton Energen, but Crompton Energen has no LEDs. So I kept it as a Atomberg because the canopies are looking like Atomberg. So look, now the video is gonna end soon. So see the remote. It's the remote, and see, I am sitting on the bed, and see, oh, look after the remote. I just gonna put it perfect. See, this is the timer mode, but T gone wrong. This already gone wrong. I can't correct it. As you can see, this is the remote of the fan, and see, I put B, but by these lines it gone wrong by these lines. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 lines are there. So I am gonna end my video. Already 5 minutes happened for my video, but please, and I'm not responsible to nonsense comments on my channel. So do not do any nonsense things. I also don't want any dislikes. I want likes and great comments. I hate to be having nonsense comments. If you post nonsense comments, I will just delete those comments. So this is a ceiling fan, and see, we used the PVC pipe to do it, and the canopies are made of in what I made it on PVC pipes, and remote is made by paper. Paper is great to write something or draw something. So see this one, it's a very good fan. So I'm gonna stop my video now. So guys, bye bye. But I forgot to show you the blades and the motor. See, this is the mounting of it. We mounted it on a cupboard, and see the motor and the blades, and and see the canopies. We made the canopies by cutting a bottle, and that straight rod is made of an PVC pipe, which is very small. Not all that small, but which is like this much big, this much. So bye bye guys.